I'm going to show you 5 steps to start learning how to belly dance from home. Marhaba, I'm belly dancer Jensuya. In this video, I'm going to give you a blueprint to DIY belly dancing. I'm going to show you 5 steps that you can use to start learning how to belly dance from home using our YouTube videos and our online course. If you are relatively new to music and dance, if you have very little experience with it, this will be the perfect guide for you. And it doesn't matter how old you are, if you're old or young, if you're fat or skinny, what gender you are, what your race is, or even if you're not in the best of shape, this is going to be a great guide for you. If at any point in the video you want to go straight to our online course, you'll find a link in the description below. Yalla Habibi, let's get started. Step 1 to starting to learn how to belly dance from home is not to actually start dancing yet, but to watch a lot of belly dance performances. Now, a great place to start, of course, will be on our YouTube channel with our playlist called Belly Dance Performances. There's another one also called Belly Dance Drum Solo. Both of those are performances, and you'll see me dancing with my family band. Bob the drummer, who you may have already met in other videos, and our 2 children who played in our band. What I want you to do if you want to learn how to belly dance is not just kind of look and go, oh wow, look at that, look at that. Look for things that you can sort of start to identify as defining what belly dance is. So in particular, look at the posture of the dancer in various moves. So if you're already familiar with other dance genres like hip hop or ballroom dancing or flamenco or any other kind of dance, or you just like to groove, on the dance floor, look at how these moves in belly dance differ from what you're already familiar with, and kind of visualize yourself, without actually doing it yet, just kind of visualize yourself doing some of those moves. Look for how the dancer is responding to the music. Can you see, as you watch various performances, do you see kind of patterns in moves that dancers do, or really in particular for belly dances, how that dancer is responding to the music? Step 2 in starting to learn how to belly dance from home is to listen to a lot of so-called belly dance music. Now again, you can start with our playlist of performances on the channel because we're playing a lot of classic belly dance songs and other songs in the Mediterranean region. So some of the songs are very old, they've been played for years and years. We put sort of a modern spin on some of them. And also, if you just go onto YouTube or Google and type in belly dance music, lots and lots of stuff will come up. Some of it very traditional and being played by musicians in various parts of the Middle East, some being played by musicians in Western countries who are putting their own spin on it. And what I think would be good for you to listen for is, how is this music different from music that you're already familiar with? See if you can hear different instruments in the music. Maybe you can identify some of them, maybe not. A lot of them are really different from sort of traditional Western instruments. Listen for patterns, like rhythm is a big thing in so-called belly dance music. Listen for patterns, listen for rhythms, listen for forms, listen for changes in the tempo, if the music goes from fast to slow or slow to fast. And as you're doing that, visualize maybe yourself, like, how would I move to that? The essence of belly dancing is showing the music on your body. So you're responding totally to the music in the belly dance aesthetic with belly dance type moves. You're trying to show the music what it would look like. So step 2 is listen to a lot of belly dance music. Step 3 in starting to learn how to belly dance from home is to try belly dancing yourself. And I just happen to have 2 perfect videos for you to do, which I'm sure you're not surprised to hear. They're lesson 1 and lesson 2. You'll see that in the thumbnails of how to belly dance from home. And what we've done is drummer Bob and I, now drummer Bob is actually my husband. He's our drummer. He and I go through this quick lesson with you, show you 3 simple moves, how they go together in the dance, and how they fit into an iconic rhythm of belly dance. So it's really fun. Try it and see how it feels. Like, it if you've never done any belly dancing, or if you're new to dance, it might feel super awkward. It might feel like, oh my God, this is so awesome. The first time I tried belly dancing, I was just like, wow, this is super cool, which is very different from the first time I saw it 20 years before that, where I was like, ew, that's like kind of weird. Step 4 in starting to learn how to belly dance from home is to, again, go back to our YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, there's just so much cool stuff on there. And check out the videos in the playlist called New to Belly Dance, Beginners Start Here. And that is a collection of videos of my thoughts, my ideas, my opinions, my tips and secrets about belly dance. I interview new dancers, I interview experienced dancers. We visit, in a couple of videos, we visit belly dance haflas. Hafla is an Arabic word meaning party. In in English-speaking cultures, hafla has come to mean, to a large extent, a belly dance recital or party. So we actually visit a couple of those, interview dancers, see dancers. I think you're gonna love looking at that, because you'll see dancers at every different stage of experience. And it can be very inspiring to see, oh my gosh, I can do that. Again, remember, like I said, it doesn't matter your age, your size, your gender, your race, any of that. What matters is, hey, I want to learn, because that's what we're all about here, is not learning a choreography, but teaching you how to bring the beauty of the music out through your body and belly dance. So watch the videos in that playlist. Step 5, our final step in starting to learn how to belly dance from home, is to enroll in our online course, Introduction to Belly Dance. Now I know what you're thinking, Jensuya, why should I pay money for a course when you're giving it to me here for free on YouTube? Well, the course is not the same as YouTube. You want to go beyond dancing, following me in the various tutorials and workouts on YouTube. If you are this far, if you've made it to step 5, I know, and you probably know in your heart, you want to learn how to belly dance on your own without copying somebody's choreography or doing that. The course is set up so that you can build the foundation, the skills that you need, so that when you hear a piece of music, you can respond spontaneously with belly dance. We have a separate video that shows you how the online course works in detail. And in a nutshell, what it gives you is the skills, the foundation, so that you can hear music, understand the music, and match your moves to the music with the right technique, and like know, well, which move should I be doing now, so that you're not actually thinking, you're just dancing and responding. So for sure, check out that preview video. And with lifetime access and a super cheap price, this is going to be your greatest value for setting your foundation to learn how to belly dance. So, ma salama, we will see you on the dance floor.